We begin tonight with breaking news. Just 3 days after Governor Kim Reynolds signed a law banning abortions around 6 weeks of pregnancy, a Polk County judge has approved an injunction blocking the law from taking effect for now. Local 5's Mary Sugden joins us with a breakdown of this ruling.
Yes, Stephanie, with this judge's order today, this now means for now abortion remains legal in Iowa up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. The 6-week ban, which Reynolds signed last Friday, remains on hold. This injunction will remain in place while the court assesses the constitutionality of this new law. Now, in the judge's ruling, he says recent opinions from the Iowa Supreme Court did not set a new standard for how abortion cases should be decided. He goes on to explain that he needs to rule by the undue burden standard. And when looking at this case under that lens, he says it violates Iowans' due process under the state constitution. Now, the judge makes it clear there's been no Iowa Supreme Court decision since the overturn of Roe v. Wade that sets a standard other than undue burden, but he says Reynolds attorneys can take that issue up in future filings, meaning they can push to switch the state abortion rulings under the rational basis test. However, he says that's an issue that will need to go before the Iowa Supreme Court. Stephanie.
Mary, thank you. Governor Kim Reynolds responded to the court decision on the temporary injunction on the heartbeat law. She says, in part, quote, "I will fight this all the way to the Iowa Supreme Court, where we expect a decision that will provide justice for the unborn." House Democratic leader Jennifer Conforst speaking out in support of the temporary injunction, saying, in part, politicians and judges have no place interfering in someone else's decisions about when to start a family. Now, there are a patchwork of laws when it comes to abortion access right now. This is an interactive map from the Guttmacher Institute. It's a group dedicated to research, policy organization, and documentation of current legislation. This shows policies in place as of last Friday. It's since updated Iowa's abortion laws as, quote, very restrictive.